All right. Okay. I hope you guys can hear me. Um, Here you go. So this is a local setup. I have my, if I open my, if I show you here, this is a LLaMA 3.1, 8 billion parameter model running locally. It's a 4.6 gigabytes of model and it's running locally. Then I have, I also have ability to connect to, let's say if I want to quickly go here. If I go to my admin panel and I go to my settings, in the models, I can check out GPT 3.5 Turbo. And for this one, I have my API key set up so I can send request to this model online. So let's go back. This is a new chat and see the GPT 3.5 Turbo is available here. And I can basically ask it, hey, how many even numbers before 50? So it's going to tell me something. There are 24 even numbers before 50. Yeah. And if I copy the same question now, I should be able to ask my own model. So I've switched the model now, and hopefully this will work. So let's see. See, now it's going to LLaMA 3.1 latest. It's not going to 3.5 Turbo. So it's the same chat going to a different model. So to count even numbers, 50, list them out. It has actually done that on my computer. So it's not going to GPT, or it is not going to OpenAI. It is running this on my computer right now in front of me. So it has not, has it given me the right answer? It has given me the right answer. It took a bit of time and it told me how to run it. So this is a LLaMA model. It's 8 billion parameters. It is not as strong as GPT 3.5 Turbo, but it is running on my computer. Another thing is, now that I'm running LLaMA 3.1 here, attach knowledge, I have my knowledge here. So now I want to send my knowledge to this next message perhaps, right? So if I connect my knowledge here, which has come from my resume basically, I can collect my brain, which is basically a database made out of my notes. For example, let's say if I had a bunch of notes, and now I'll ask it. So first of all, without this, let me ask this question to GPT 3.5 Turbo, and I'll say, what was my previous role? Yeah. And it says I do not have access to that information about users unless it has been shared with me in the course of the conversation. And that's about it. But then I want to add my knowledge here, my brain, and I will also switch the model now to GPT 3. LLaMA, because I don't want to send my information to GPT 3.5 Turbo. I don't want to send it to OpenAI. I want to send this information to my model, which I've switched here. And by the way, my files and everything are living here on a storage. So you can see all the different things coming from my resume. They are here. So let's say if I want to ask now LLaMA, which is running locally, and my knowledge is located locally, what was my previous role? And now LLaMA is going through my previous role. It has queried that data and it has said, okay, based on the provided context, it appears that you have held multiple roles in the past. According to the text, this is your previous role: technical leadership, instructor, sessional instructor, or data science trainee. And that's my answer, right? And there we go. We have a working local LLM answering my questions from my data, and all the chats are stored here locally. And I just need to find out how to access them and provide the context from these chats and kind of chunk these chats into my conversation going forward as well. Cheers.